have to see the difference. I think this was.
Yeah, it's part of the Kasarani land. It used to be 10. It used to be 10.
Will be comfortable.
Sitting in the CAF Council, and we wish you well, President. It's been an honor working with you. It's been fantastic, and we are so happy seeing you in the CAF Council. And the essence of this today is just a quick handover.
Yes. Naona vizuri.
Leo tumefanya hilo tukio kwa kuitisha kikao cha kamati ya utendaji, na kamati ya utendaji imekubali kwa kipindi kilichobaki President Agustino atakuwa kaimu rais wa CECAFA mpaka Januari wakati wa uchaguzi mkutano mkuu tutakapompitisha rasmi kuwa rais wa shirikisho.
And with this vision I will try to keep the same manner. And of course they are not there in the CAF Council. They are there to support us. They are there to bring good things for CECAFA. They are there to advise us of how we can progress in our region.